Medasi Sugoima, the Edika, Medas, me fan Chagasia and Coma Sugoima, me Fasida, Emudu, Emma Ghana month, Senyamia Dome, Independence month, where Ghana, Shagana, Digana, Regana, Tafregana, Bamgana, Uragana, Baba Ghana, Naregana, Bonsema Ghana. Medin de Alaji Lamujin.
Hey, Lamujin, I drink.
Day.
Drink.
Sani Medin. Atadia me share no. Obia should call me Alaji Lamujin Councillor. Alaji Lamujin Councillor. Councillor Alaji Lamujin Lutrot. Nazo Lamujin Nazo. And then there be fisrim no maba. Meche de edikai memfa e chopa ewe ni die ni ahobirasiem se e chena ma hye no mambe kanse mbe kantokwa ese goyima yesi e chena asi no ba bia be kwakotoro kire ngrofo a wo kan wontokwa menso de ma hye chena enti na me wo so e chena ngase ase wo so eti o na wo so ne ekosi anu mamu ma ye basa aha me de na echinchin ekokuma se na ba adwegiri na besia konkran enti Alaji Lamujin yezo enti embatwe ne don't address me as Councillor Lutrot. Address me as Alaji Lamujin.
Alaji Lamujin.
Councillor Lamujin.
Obetimi akọ Facebook live no wakọ share. Uko Facebook also ohwehwe Rainbow Radio na so be type e was search engine Rainbow Radio 87.5 and one no Rainbow Radio 87.5 na sha Alaji Lamujin.
Me na so pa.
Alaji Lamujin dressing.
Yes, so go me da so pa.
Okay, enti ye brand akọ kakra enti.
Pa. Ene de atija ma ye, ba bia ne de ka adwumadi no. Me da se de edika yeda coronavirus asese wa be kuro yi mu.
Na onya bedru ha.
So wo wi ase mu.
E ba so ni Ghana.
Na se musuru ma ye hwehwe ase mo mma.
Tutimi na na so wa ha.
Enti yeda coronavirus ase se wa ba wi ase mu afi na opekwan aba Ghana. Ba ye be se mo a mo ne eben na mo ne adamfo mo nka nche nse akotihye bu a enti habade oba no ho be kire no. Enti coronavirus munto no nkra se me momba. May you through this medium on our Facebook please alert coronavirus that in Ghana akotihye is so much strong that they shouldn't come here because when they come they will be disgraced. I greet you coronavirus. So when you must see a corona enunti and I remember to mu see you say obi a pese corona betun bia frame me was 0277 609 644. The yan say who was sending mobile money no ma arrest coronavirus na ma see aye ka say
the arrest
me I only arrest and who say about no afre 0277 609 na before be friend send mobile money no na sika number na menje enuanom 6 months there na ye fe papa so go ima oba no a share breast pad or share bottom pad and ti say go share pictures no e wala pama so go ima to aba we need some material na or rep Ghana pa or share Ghana tade Ghana belt and be many nyina budget so there omunu omu say so go hima ware just 5 months ago nyame nhira so go hima so be boa yen na so go hima ye wie ye no obi di obi kima no obi so ni obi tena ka mobile o man tena ka mu anko obi so tena sa say guy ni nko ne nko bio because oye na adwen say fiti ho no omo to nkwanta ya de ya pa eno am nya phone call abrante ABC ono wodamasepa na girl no anya kuma mo friend dem broken heart to say broken leg if you saw mobile show no there and mo abrante ne tu no ene ne emfa emra kwan so ba me mesre me ka che girl say so tie mi sesi a abrante na ya de papa so ni na gya empratwe boni bia me gunu wo Yesu di mu empratwe boni bia me se ni sesi a me yima me de kire me yima obi a wo hwe me e wo ba bia o ti bia say wa wa ni jisu go hima ho so ni betwe mpra from 0277 609 644 me da so ho wa wo tundo so bomode na pe bibi hye ho wa wo nufu ndo so Ghana manti kabane hye wa wo ni nufu ntimi hye kaba enti kabane didi Ghana manti socks fashion ase ho ne enko fela makafu egu ye ni ase egu agbefu ani ase ama kroma ya basa na adwene se obetrendi ama obekati kansi 2020 fi omo hashtag ni po anko hwe but men kan kire o se mbacho men ka o kan na se wedin da nya afi no wa be di no odi ni wi anso no ba be ware no me sebe na wo na kan ye de o kan sebe
is medifela
u be difela na o be difela am se wedin da
medisoft ye
we soft we medifela na me se we medifela dada 2020 enyanum ya do for ye hyehyia Ade bu aye friend di agro. Na em say naka 6 March no. Medical ne fella anom ba ko ba independence relationship conference naka wale emba so. Sokohima suase ansa na fella mekafo yi. Any medical be wale no na efia Schwarzenegger kasa. Omo nti asem. Na before efia Schwarzenegger be kasa na medical ex-girlfriend ni maame size wakasa. Sister Debbie. Okay. Now, one till your car 20 February. Okay. Ono ma yeti ase so no asase so oba no penkola. And a medical man ti ase so no medical no ono pempanyifo. What I say? It is a medical pempanyifo. Na Debbie e penkola na ka a good match. So metrim prago si there you ask me baby here.
Ombe wari ana so me.
No mo wala den. Sister Debbie waka so wale. Waka cho so wale.
Say dia medical person wale.
Medical be wale opanyi. Hey, adabusua no dom no hwe be me bia onyi ya na ni gi opanyi hu bia na eyabusua musuo ya ntete ni yie ofizu instead of a family.
Be ma onyi ye.
Na ni gi mpanyifo ho. He is coming from a zoo mentality home, not a parenting home. Aboyfre bia wo yakwala wo pọ panyi bia Beman bofra wote wa wo de wani ji hu mpanyifo hu bia no you are not trained. You are suffering from what we call infant deformity. Either you are lack of breastfeeding, lack of mother care, lack of father care. Ufizu abaye bia pọ panyi I like to go out with grown-ups who will look at me and treat me like their daughter. What do you mean? Last week, so come to say, kunu bia ofro yire ma bia ma jibo.
Maya Morio.
Aha. Kunu bia ofro yire ma, wo ye ma. Sen kola efre o maame ma. Won so ya wo yire no, ofi ko frɛ no ma. Ma apedima. So ko ma ye fe di agro. Yet to Kromu Hana, if you are Schwarzenegger, what a yama delay who children who Kromua. Send a prank. And now you're sorry, if you are Schwarzenegger, say Abrakwa or Maniko Sako send Baba and Konye Kulubiti so no bro aqua. Now, when I fell on a coffee one tear, a bushia tiwako yaw one dear, so go ma, omuntie programme. Ebusia akoyo ho ade yaje wa wade ye agije wo so man krofo kakra o media we twa hye ye ka wo se prank na ye prank na ma ye nkote a wo prank na wo se ukunu no or you ready for you ana na wo onim se be ma nya ready for you ade na premier ware no ese fella mekafu with immediate unquestionable effect on pa medical busia for choices here. She did a prank in public and must come publicly apologize to the family. Fella makafu ade ha me say, I before you this how. From day one me see the fella ye no, ogu before no mase, mo antemase. Moni me anya adwen. Be oba bia be man wale wo no be chire bia no. Wo oba no wegu oni mase. Be me bia ono twempena de chire ebedwam no wale ni nye yeda. On teaching, I mean, some repeat it. If a man advertises you while he has not married to you, the day he marries you, the marriage will never stand. Because there's nothing about that marriage. Look at the history behind Fela McAfee. You young girl that were about 21, 22, 23, now, pressure who come, who shop, you are vandalizing, who carry it to normal plate. You have a story. Then as small as you are, you marry a small boy like Medica. What do you mean by that? Look, me catch them say, either they're forced to stay in marriage because of me. Any Medica, they are going to keep up appearances with Ghana. Just what saw about you, either they keep up appearance by keeping themselves in marriage because of me, or better still they leave.
What is Nkwala about them?
Okay.
Can they feed each other?
Oh, so feeding. No, it's just about feeding.
You who say, Sebema be warrior, Bemani who say why you ready so Obani so who say ye beba be ware no.
Ah, why you ready so be so ye.
Why ready so no so person.
Enti Ashagba Makafui.
I don't know the Ashagba kan.
Oh, ba uni Ashagba, uni Ashagba.
Ashagba e be.
Uni abo e friend Ashagba. Oh, fella Makafui shebi Ashagba.
What? Ni shape Ashagba.
Yes.
I don't even understand.
Mo chief for mo bra for mo see Coca-Cola shape me boa. And an cry for friend Ashagba.
Ah, oh, okay.
Ashagba was Ashagba slim in the middle, large at the back. And I mean so I idea oji nu fu no man to enti I mean any say fella Makafui. Let me tell you say the girl is not ripe yet to be a wife to medical. Any other person who is matured could have married Fela Makafui, but not medical. They have disturbed themselves. And whoever agreed that the two of them should marry is why Fela Makafui want to test the waters by collapsing for people to see, say, is medical ready to take care of her now? Now we boost your 40. Hey, I before yes, I then modernity and adding. Yes, go ma. Say obey we. Ewo won say no mani. Na yan kotin a manager na say enye prank. What you no? O say enye prank na fela yale. Na se ba san mami o na se ba nso say enye prank na no come de no. Na Fela Makafui utie me a. Sam pass o come de opa na atwa hwe ya abusuafo ye widifo.
No, I mean.
Amo te say chewe abusuafo.
Yenim say Ghana ya mamre mu no. So ba ware anopa na. Ne maame efufu to. Ade kosu aguso de man.
Ye chiro dey
I don't know of I before.
But unim dey yes ano.
Me say ye brem.
Unim dey yes ano.
There is some kind of feeling there you can't even eat the food. Me I couldn't even
No, it's not about you eating or not eating. The question is that you are going to a gathering that has a particular number of hours. Medical or bano. Yenim so ya kwala obetwa afenti. O man bibi num glass wo ehu. Onu muso. And I
was it water?
And what was it?
Water.
When people are drinking from glass, what do you know? Medical on monsa. On witty. Medical was drinking water.
What?
What was he drinking?
Water.
So medical was your phone himself. Medical make me trash it. A man is showing him to give him energy to stand as a child getting married. And the family didn't see the importance of making sure that Fela Makafui has a stand or your fit to come into public. No, I be trying to say you are pranking to see whether your husband was ready. Fela Makafui is medical and ambulance driver, or he's part of the emergency team. Nanado a trainee for new ambulance. No, who charge there? She has disgraced the family. She has to apologize for what she did and stop thinking that this will make a trend. It is not about trending.
In the I don't know, sir, if you have watched the video. But video you could say she wanted to communicate, but I don't know what I said.
I'll see a prank. And I shall medical him. What's the medical assistant at once? Did you see the guy's face? Go and watch the video. What if say we away? And a medical for and no touch here.
What is Fefefe? What is Fefefe?
Arabia oyem show na aba.
Is it popo?
Enye popo bibi. Fefefe. Titi yale 85 na oni paso. Obi mi biali so emi na aba. The three neka akom yale no.
Oh, okay.
What if say go medical ho? And I dey boy yem she no, and a pam, and a shiwanka. Why do you joke with marriage? Marriage is not a child's play. And if Fela Makafui must apologize. And the next thing is that they should listen to Efia Schwarzenegger. Efia is telling us the truth. Oh, that now Efia must also apologize to all of us who attended her wedding. Because you got to know. No, him say a prank. No, they ain't got now. Efia Schwarzenegger. On him say now what they a prank. No, they ain't got now.
Who called me?
Hey, offer me. Efia Manafu, offer me. I was a friend to Efia since Happy FM. I was a friend to her.
And no invited.
Oh, invited me ni fie po. The first time go ni fie. Ah, o che me me fa wodo me fa say me call crack ko me ametena so kra no. Na ani ho bisa baby stress so.
Oya wadanfo.
Pa.
Ti wadanfo na we ato na de bia utwa no.
Da bi kase bi twa Efia Schwarzenegger nsua say oni abrakwa wade yegu wa set yen time bomb prank yako ade no be san kasa bio na say ya
na say den waka
one ti oni just do mas interview no ana ni kromo a
na say last week who be kan
yan kan wie wa san be ka wo fro say oni mpa ebo ne say abrakwa baba enware obema te say abrakwa. What's the meaning of that? And I make us say if you are sitting there muntie listen to Afia or say na kobe ku abrakwa kunu. It means that Afia has gone through the mill even though she chose a wrong man. The rest of you coming people listen.
Okay, auntie fella prank no oh dear you
she has to go and apologize to the family. Afia Schwarzenegger tell her this is the last time she's talking. And Delay should listen to Afia Schwarzenegger very well. Delay tie Afia ye na wan ko to die Afia to munum tie ni ye
and Delay waka dey
say Afia wari ye nyina ye Afia wari ye nyina ye ka se na say wa ye bibi amana shi Delay
woni wan ne ka
ye nyina
woni wan
me ka ho na so sana die Afia ye ni nyina ewo kakashi no ko ba mi alaka mo eti dia me ka me say
but unim say nyo bia any swade mun say me worry di
Miss same way anytime you say you give me oh God
enyo bia any swade
what are you drinking
today I'm not saying water enyo bia any swade mun no
because of coronavirus
I
am using a very good bottle tie say make bio every woman was created for marriage so stop telling say no be any swade what you want to about
enyo bia any swade
no enyo
once we now we co divorce I mean
so women don't say that again divorce is part of marriage
but
there are two things
why pan on him say we am we make divorce no what
if you are in the name she knows
counselor dear
fela makafo in medical omunim and they are married omunim what you want to kunu divorce omunim every divorce is there before the marriage. And that is why we want you to be very careful. Because people will say, Aletina Okasa, Ekache, fella say, Sampaso Nyama, onye din. I say, ye jiran sasuba walina anko ye yeda. Eti otu for muntie. Muntie. I say, mun share people. When now see say o ton hon you say den sesi a. Amun kan chen say, wa ko bi wona nipa no be ton hon ni betuawa. I supposed to twerk. Eti ye be ton hon.
And no ye the marketing strategy.
Hey. You are wicked. You are wicked feminist. You are wicked feminist. That people have gone to sell honey to a man. The man is going to pay. She has to just say, then you have to go and twerk after going to sell your honey. Hey, are you serious? Oh, auntie, send her all tone way or they are shower shaking so come. Debbie, and you can follow your shower.
You will not say it.
Debbie, on me who won't come ship no. On camera ship no.
And now members.
To say Fiodor, or doesn't kind of.
Or doesn't kind
on and you know, this friend I show them, Mama. She's not registered. She might be operating illegally. So either they join the squad and we register them so that we know. So they can have something proper out of the game they are doing. You can't be selling and twerking. So what about two fella make say. And I'm talking by a see boy be a konya broken heart. Share. Semi Benny Panka straight ahead to the campus. Miko yi Jimmy fina kuma.
Boy now when you
what do you mean? You were sent to school to bring an academic standard certificate home or relationship depression home. Mom dear no. Makato said depression too much in this country. Never could and you be brave with you may feel depression. What's Makacho? How much depression? Every Christian with depression. Sako de depression. Shatawali, Stone Boy. Gospel musicians in there, they are too depressed to write a song. Or while in there, bam, no atron. Christian Labs, it's over winning award. Kanam Sonyama. Pastor Lavinti. Shall you more about first?
C'est the foreign song. C'est the way why new one.
Brafonyum.
Hallelujah.
Say Brafonyum.
Yeah.
Say I mean what? When people are depressed.
It's a beautiful.
Thank you. So they write in their depression. What in way? Yes, I me bomb. Yes, I me bomb. Every. No, the car ultimate tia what they are born me kwa sorry be. Softly jail man no so na sorry dem obi asu. Munya mo the car. Most musicians in this country are writing under depression. The same way most girls are getting married under depression and we are following them. Boy, you are walking in the US, you say, he find fire, see when you have depression, when you have broken heart, a young throw. Or the name pass top bed. Some pass a quano and you have broken heart anchor. And I saw money for top of my phone. But ultimately, read the message. I'm on the buff here, at to phone, not to form. Wait, oh, here, bia.
We are 21st century book.
Oh, here, counseling. Oh, here, say, trust somebody, a him, I want a brabo. Jimmy batabo frakuma ho entresa ba na de wae ni papa go school mu ho na yanko yi Jimmy ni fina akuma ho do gu abuso ni mas kronum se na ye ye tumufo se nkrofo kasa muntie sukohima musu tie
na new tolobif ye brand soko
tolobif nso ele
tolobif new tolobif abai Reverend Obofo wetin any video no on say na maybe two na maybe ofela and na maybe ofela we maybe two and enu untie ye de bede wetie a
dem intie
anti no wakasa
sa
wakasa che Reverend Oduro
tie
ene enyasem kota atemi pa yentimi mon radio so
and dem go tie be ka wetin be ka o radio so
enti ubeti be aba beti
na say Reverend Obofo akasa sigeni ba kon da so for ntimu akasa na sigeni akola nso da asofo mu ti Dr. Drew
onu so be kasa
send here
onu so ba be
I reply
onu so
we
be
say the kroma ede
enti kroma epun so we tolo beef we nya ordinary beef
we nya beef before me mate me na kokotie na be di hu nkomo na so koyi man nkomo ye di a be bi a di sisi a no say ye ka wade asem de a ya kasa bedu se oba ene bema why na sede na say ya medical ne we wade ye ade ba ko amanti ase so goima e wa wade na se misrewo uko bia na
man kobi
ya mfrewo
man ya
na so me hu say Facebook na we she Fela Makafu yi
oh yes
and hwehwe ni mu ben no
oh I mean she's one girl like oye younger wawaria emefe
oh awade we of her.
Oh yes,
you are a very wicked person.
No, me want me.
No, you are very wicked.
So Angela will be.
No, you are very wicked. What is nice about Fela Makafu's wedding? Shame on you, hypocrite. Nyatron. Shawanu bi awaka de te ho.
Na me wasem de me chiro sao. Wasem me tolobif.
Achomo fa ne born in chen. Oni bi
because eso odi obi ahu.
Chira ye ndi ahu ye.
Be hu bi.
Chira me maka.
Chira me baby am.
Chira ye ndi ahu ye.
Me se me wa me angle.
Chira ye ndi ahu ye.
And make us.
Yes, you are there chira ndi ahu ye. Ni fa yi face you.
And make her just me angle la me pick it from her me fair. Anyhow she's young. Our Timmy Aware. And they are the most talked about two people dating now. Just so be come and see. People thought say it would not even work, including you.
Excuse me.
But finally they are together.
Excuse me. I'm telling you that if you are
and
using
I'm
me,
happy about
no, okay. So if you are telling me that including me, that's why you're happy, no. Watch it coming. I say Fela Makafu and Medical will have to stay married by force because of me, so that you'll be happy. She can't walk out.
Why can't she?
Because of me.
If it's not working, and
no. She will shame you.
She will shame me.
So that's what shall be offer. So yes, dear say. Oba ho ade ye oran kasankasa wa nuanum ni adofo ntem misremo. Why ho ne ye oba ho ade?
Ye wo oba ni fie.
Oma ade ne ye no me hu bibi gardens na ye hu fie. Fela mu fie no. Yes,
I think say event grounds because me follow.
Me that's it. Enti ye share location na. Enne ade aye ba besu a. Oma wade ande abebo nsen a. like their marriage has met us, they say, when it comes to choosing a location for a traditional marriage, it is very, very important to support the marriage.
When they are choosing a place for a traditional
yes.
marriage, say Obano.
Oba yeko bisa wase. Yeko boko kwa. The place yeko boko no hia. So go ima wa high 5-bedroom house e wa Twasako. Na ye boko kwa untimi fra obuso from beji kokoko no wo fie wa Twasako. It's not accepted. Sunsume di awari echi no. Oba beja ne na eja no. Eya ne na eja busua. Enti abusua sunsum ne ta awade na ya ginechi. Awade enye sunsum. Na de ta echi ne ye sunsum abusua sunsum te se din. Enti ye nkoye oba ho ade ye mbokokoko e wa event grounds. Tie ye ba. Ye nya. Ese eye mpo ye di ye enfifie akọ park so a ye yi mpaye esre mpanyifo kwan so mu ndi ye chinko park so go ye yi. Se amemeti wa mi wu ene na me kase me emfa me ntum me papa abusu fie na me fie a mesi emfa me ntum a ye be kọ akoya amamre o papa fie ni asre mpanyifo sunsun kwan ni abe ye yi no me fie o mbaga twase Unim de ti obi wu adwuma mu a ye de ne ko fa adwuma ase na ego sire no. Do you know why? Ha. Nipa ni sunsuma eta red ote akonwa mu ha no. Ya mfa na nko ama na nko di nkra. What was here? Obe ha mo. Sana wade ate enti na oba anyima ye nya ne ho ade no. Se oba anyima ye wo bofu a edi nechi esana kola na oda ne yam nti. And as I bofo no ye oba ho ade a omba ase. Majority go balance here. At every stage of your life, there is a particular angel which is a spirit that comes to support you. When you are pregnant, the one who is in charge of pregnancy will never come to meet the one who is in charge of marriage. It is a one near by your one dear. Akola ni nti sa mienu no mehia wonya nhira. Enti no ba bia anyem. Na ye ho ade a owu a ye wa mane a ye maw ansa na ye to abofra ni din. Enti so koima, if you are going to be married as a woman, knocking is done from your father's family house. Tiedi yo. Ye ba ye ho ade anso a ye wo papa o maame o papa ebusefie enye event grounds. Now we are banning saying you to call event grounds. I before Mutia Mamrasio and Cranfo Mutia Mamrasio Asantefo Mutia Mamrasio Me Messica and Mayani try and turn a bushia mamrano Mototuna sia bro phone boy a bro. Why honey a cock a cojawa? So we might say me say a coyo ba one dia ye or bad mammy fee. Ye nyo ba ho ade wone maami fie
ba hu fela makafi papa
amamre kwan so no enkranfo say omo ye ba ho ade a oba ne papa emba ho oba ne maami emba ho unim za ebusia each of the clans sorry to say tribes nyina ye wo no o just here omo nyina ye wo mo amamre asantifo na mo didwa Oba ne papa ene ne ma modie ne mutenase eje mo ba wade enkranfo anya sa ye go ba amane ye ji oba ne de ko ba amane. I don't know if you understand what the communication I'm doing. That traditionally, the parents of the bride is not present at the marriage. I before some particular Ibe tribes, omo nyesa, omo ntena, omo ba wade ase. Oh. Ye ko jibrom. But obia ya suman bia no. Ya suman we abusuani dim. Enti ni ye mani omode ko ma abusua se sumana mo suma ye no adansidie nie oba ni nie enti ye ho ade awie a ye nja wo fie ho ye na ukọ e go ba wane. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. Yeah. So they pick you and you go with their son to go and announce the marriage that we've come to marry for your son. Ni anu akọkire ni aduwa mo watenase ama waduane di ama wunsu adno e wo fie ho. enti ye nyo ba ho ade e event grounds
any hotel se see na se kra the hotels pa
se mu fie ye tan se dan ho ne no bisa so bi wo fie wa ko ye event grounds ana enti na mba yo bebre ya ware wonne ayesi wo mu fie na obema no e ba eyie na se a afi no de Google map ehwehwe bi ana yidi fie wo na yidi busu fie wo ye nyo ba ho ade wo ne maami fie ye koye oba ho ade mpo wo ne papa tie ne ye ne papa enya panyi bi fie a amamre kwan so no ye gu nsafi main house na abusia panyi asre kwan asene de awade na ko enti sa ofi kumase ofi aduagiri ofi chirimanko ochi fi na mo won kran ne be se ye ho ade wo ha ye gu nsa asene panyifo nhira se ye baba soko hima oten kran be me bia unity se akotre oba abegye na akoto to akoka no ho aya no ho ade awale na eyi how afi ye so ti se na kokofuo yi ewi ye ne ko na ye ko ide ye srabo mpai bo no ma ho den se ye ntumi nje wa hanti or therefore ye gunsa ye mama obesen mompre ne enko so mo ampre a they are supposed to come and do the thing at your family house the cattle. So why on earth should a family travel from Aibe and come to an event ground to come and receive the knocking of their daughter and the bride price of their daughter? It's wrong. And who would hear me? Bema was in a dream piece of your one dear. Or quack which is knocking. Dear the kind. See me ye pa. If I saw quite knocking, no. Oh papa. Oh papa. Ebusifi. Oh papa hono quite no. Oh mama no papa ntina. Amon kasa. Listen carefully. If your mother and father are no more married, it doesn't change the protocol. If your mom and dad are no more married and they're going to marry you, it doesn't change the protocol that they have to now do the knocking in your mother's house. No. Your mother's brothers, who are your uncles, have no right over your marriage. Yes, and you'll be and ye can't know, ye can't correct. Send be a wadina, ye yaman cocasabon some, but say a first foundation book Fred say.
Fapim.
Se fapim no engineer ya. Ade bia obesie sisu. Zuzu mechiamo. Make us say kra no come na de me.
Zuzu restaurant.
Ma fa duane na ba mo so de mo duebo. Ma mini musu fa twa duane. Mini musu fa twa duane no. So goima. Me chirama wasua say the most important thing is that marriage protocol cannot be changed. It should be followed. And a woman's bride price is not paid in a restaurant, hotel grounds. It's not paid in the church house. It's not done in the church pastor's family house. So Gohima, your bride price is paid in your father's family house. Tie. Your father's family house. Et yedi komo yekon. So Gohima, event grounds. Ye koyo oba ho ade kai se atija enhira namba
Zuzu for na bedu dada
sa machia wo
homo je oso
manu oso egu rice ne so omo na esi abonti kwa medi ni nyina wo sunsun so let's learn that when you are in Abrochi and they want to do knocking over your head, you bought a house in Accra. Then you bring your whole family to come and live in a house in Accra, so they do nothing. No, it's not that. No, it's wrong. The man and his auntie should go and do the knocking at wherever your people are, so that when there's an event in that village, they can go. The marriage is performed there. Look, you don't think. Even the legal marriage. They are say
wedding.
Wedding no pono. Emrada ho baby aye the otumi ye the ontumi nya so nimsa. Even the legal marriage, the law under the Civil Cap 127, the law says the place must be registered. The officiating minister must be gazetted. What must say? You need to declare 21 days your reasons for marriage. You should not be married before. That is why you nullify your engagement before you marry. So even that has rules. And then we, who have a traditional blessed marriage, the best marriage ever in the world. Not this imprisonment that they have lied to us, that we are sticking to one marriage, one man, one wife, which is a lie. One man, women, plenty women mentality that God gave us. And no mono, ye boko koko wakra. E joba one dear wo cottage, restaurant, event grounds. It's not done. So if you are listening to me today, and a guy wants to do knocking, he should go to your family house, where your parents are. Go and do the knocking.
Obi, ye bayan knocking, na obane nyem. Ena obane busia for say. Obema no.
Kasade woda, kasade. Ade. Ade wa wasem na beso kana na de.
Obi asem.
Ena Kennedy, what is your adona?
Obi message obi de send them.
Read it, ade na ye ya.
O say wanyem ama guy no. And on the guy ne can say ombehu ne busuafo. But apparently no guy ne juma no ye no. Or your national security for ibi. Omo call peacekeeping and money be. Enti get ne busuafo ye ready. A ombeshia guy no. Guy ne say when ya opportunity say or they call peacekeeping into your continue knocking or ye ni mobile money. Ama get me papa.
Get the busuafo. Get here with of busuafo.
No ba.
Hey. Hey. People are very, very disrespectful. I'm telling you. People are very, very disrespectful. Now look at the protocol. So
because the kind of disrespect.
So no. That disrespect is not from the guy. It's from the girl. And let me explain. Next week, by the grace of God, one of the things we're going to discuss is that when you are pregnant and you are going to be married, what should be done? But quickly, because today people are bashing me that we don't give them chance to call, and I don't know.
Yeah.
So we'll give people 2 people, 3 people chance to call. But listen carefully. So how can when you are being impregnated by a man? Listen carefully. If you are a young girl and then you get pregnant, one, pregnancy is not an airborne disease. So immediately your family sees that you have been put in a family way. It is not the guy who comes to your family house to announce that he has impregnated you. It is wrong. Hello?
Hi.
If a guy impregnates you and he walks to your family and tell them, I have impregnated Sukohima, it ends up to be a curse for the young man. This is the protocol. When you are pregnant, you announce to your family or they will see that you are pregnant. And once you are pregnant, they will ask you who impregnated you. Then you announce your family who did. It's George Lutrot. Your family then will come to my family to inquire of the pregnancy. That is the only time you can go back and attest to the fact that yes, I impregnated your daughter.
I understand, but the issue is now come manako say obane busuafo ni hunyi nsen na ene omo be ko be ma na busua wa akoka se mo ba be mai aba banyim
now san question ye gina
san ye gina but ne abrante na wuhia na ndai oni ndai no ko na ti o ti kwa wo ko no
ti enti oba bia be ma hye wonyi nsen oni na busuafo ye jimifo maka chem so oba bia wo tie me aye sa chika de obi kunu nim be ma ne busuafie ese me ti wei ge ya me na hye na se ya twempre menyem no ko me yire ho ese me yire binim no oni who kwan so be come me yiri fie no right to go to a marital home but have right to go to my family house. So that's here. Enti oba bia wonyem no bo obusuafo amane na kire mo abrantie ne busuafo. Enti who call peacekeeping, who call world keeping, who call coronavirus cause, and no doesn't stop the family from doing what is right. We don't need the guy. We need his family. What does here? So what's the excuse? And now be nyamanya no ade na ekoye no. Ye kwa ko yi ano se ti ebusuan se ye ba bisa se o ye baba no nyim ye bisa no no o se o baba ma bi a ye frɛ no George Lutot e na nyim no ye omo nko ye srɛ mo ye de ye ban be kasa ye gituma ye ba bo baba mane ne ye bisa me George abaye ba ye friend Soko Hima on na busafo ba ha se wonyim na na e ye an ne me ne me busafo de esi bia be ka no kora kyerɛ no enti na be ma ukonye obema bi a wanyim a what oba bi a wawale a wanyim oba uka kyerɛ oyire se wanyim oba wo ye jimifo ye nom ye ma oba na ote awade ase no twi na nko ya mensa repeat meti e ma wale wo kunu awale Soko Hima eda wo kunu be fro akata se Soko Hima ma nyim girl bi e wo Dubai estate bi ano ukunu e jimifo yenye is not done wa wale na akonyim oba uka kyerɛ obusuafo ya wo wia na obusuafo be ka kyerɛ oyire enti oba bi a wotie mi aga bi ba fie ho de nyinsa ba abeka cho se ukura nyim na waje atomu a wo so wo kono wo so oba no wo ye musuefo enti once you have been impregnated by a man, the man, your family goes to ask for the man's family and the man's family come to confirm pacho aine ye baba man aje atomu se ono nyim mo baba no ye wanti ye srɛ mo e kwan be na da ho na abusua ne buafu ana ye meko ye amaya tia wo amaya ko ade wo beti ni bom sa enye se ne de giade we fi ha enti ye de ye mo be hwa akora na mana wo ama de oye bia no akore si ye enti Soko Hima sa kwan no so no na wakoyi wanim eyenim no nya se eho ade yo you go to testify and tell the family, yes, we agree that we have impregnated your daughter. Then you are taking a drink to prove. Now responsibilities that must go alongside of taking care of a pregnant woman, not a wife. Not a wife. So when a family is angry, they impregnate your daughter and you angrily carry the girl and go and dump the girl on the man, you have automatically given your daughter for free sexual intercourse. Yesha onyinsa ni enya oho ade ye ngugu so.
Na beda na kwala na send papa.
Na kwala na send papa hwan ba. Hwan na ka se ngugu so na ma akwala se papa. Na ka o dati lante.
Say ni en ware wa ye ngugu so.
Na obema onya ho ade ma se na ogugu awale no ogugu nyinsa no so. Enti na yetimi show be nyinsa. Na o de abeda ni kunu achi. Ni kunu no gugu so sa kwala ni nsa no. And Google Swan is sacred face. Don't lie to yourself. That when somebody impregnates your wife and you water, the child will look like you. Go and ask Joseph. Did Jesus Christ look like Joseph? Did he look like Joseph?
Not Joseph, Google.
Did he look like Joseph?
Okay. Maybe picking just 2 calls. Over to me after 0204875875. 0204875875 and that's 0209875875.
I go take my mother and my wife. It is a fool. I go take my wife. My wife. I no fool.
Hello? Hello? Oh.
Hello for no ba no mon kasa no ayi wo ye speed na di adwuma no speed and light.
Yes, so do we maybe have free.
Kasa dey ahon den.
Okay, it's you.
Oh, I'm so I don't want to jam there. And we you group of
Oh.
I'm there, Pepe.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Odo. We didn't maybe have free. Me pacho yet you. Yeah, that's it. As you obey him, only hop. Eti koye mobile money.
Unwa de. Na se obi koye obi ahun ade a.
Hello.
Listen na di man this can why ni nya mobile money. What do you mean?
Say be ebusiani pen mobile money.
You cannot pay bride price with foreign currency. No way.
Yes, although we didn't maybe have free.
From America.
Me pacho yet you.
See? Traditional marriage, that's a fortune. Who invited the pastor?
Now, knocking no crowd marriage committee, some war. Knocking.
I'm sorry, Ben. Mention the name of the church.
Madame Fubia, sorry.
Bona sorry, Dean.
Meet me, Master.
Usro.
Misro.
But there must be sorry, Bonnie Wokromwa. I will be a one thing that Missuma Sibi on Tia Mamrasi. What do you mean?
Hello?
The church must attend the knocking.
Yes, I don't need to be
Charlie. When you are pretty for in Asadi. Now Gugu so I day. I say about Gugu so.
Oh, auntie knocking any quite marriage committee.
What are they going to do there? It is a family affair. The church has no role in marriage. Look, next week we'll learn the rudiments, protocols that attach marriages. The reason why marriages are not working. I saw a pastor at Fela Makafui's place saying vows. Listen, the vows are said under civil union, under the law cap 127. The law of marriage gives you right to exchange vows when you are pushing ring, not traditional marriage. Bogus.
Bogus will say what something.
Bogus. 0377 Bogus.
Okay.
609 Bogus. 645. Oh, who is coronavirus?
Okay.
0377. Or people coronavirus. 609 644 0277 609 6. Nyamisha mu nyina wa de obi twem pro onya ho ade ena utie mi pa ko nyama o fi adwuma ba no ko busuafo ho obi a ya nyem mu abusuafo abuafu a omdo abeto bema no so ogugu so a onya ho ade jai mema ogugu so bio fa nyama nakọ na kwase aba wo ya a ontua kwase ebuosa me chia mo.
Okay, and I wouldn't ask so much now from 10 a.m. till now. Yamisha mo onsha Rambo Radio, onsha Jumera no show my Ghana. Midi and the Soko Hima Kukua. Mini DJ possible alongside Counselor Lutheran. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Well, all too soon. Wherever you are, remember that the Council Fan Club has finally been established. Very soon after this lifestyle, we're going to be. Our next event is coming up again in the month of May. But it's a simple conversation. Alhaji Lamujin, I have spoken today. The only Alhaji in the city. Alhaji Lamujin, representing Ghana, repping Ghana, and being the good image of Ghana. Well, we see me. She said, and you're being talked about here, woman. Going my children, she would tell you. And that's go him at your channel. And we will be the fear, Miss Wilson, my chest, but let's learn the truth of the matter is that the marriage protocol cannot be thwarted. The marriage, hey, that's my girl. Hey, my God. The marriage protocol cannot be thwarted. The procedure that causes marriage to work cannot be changed. Don't think that because you have money, no matter what your money does, the traditional process of marriage cannot be changed. If a man has not yet paid your bride price, if he impregnates you, he has no right to water the pregnancy. If a man wants to water the pregnancy, he has to pay your bride price. Ladies and gentlemen, this is life we are living. You have to understand the protocols, the rudiments, and by so doing, you become the beacon of hope. Let me say hi greetings to Ike Donko of United States of America. CNN, the media guru for 20 solid years. You are celebrating your anniversary in the United States of America. Baby Mark and Antiquali, 21st March is the birthday celebration in the United States of America. my president and my chairperson, Ya Ofran, for Councilor Foundation for Diabetes and Asthma. We are waiting for you to support us through our Zelle account in the United States of America. 862-571-3950. 862-571-3950 is the Zelle account number. Send us a Zelle to support people suffering from diabetes, asthma, cerebral palsy, and disability. Not forgetting, if you are in Ghana, our Momo account is a very simple number: 055-000-5077. 055-000-5077. Well, I just want to read some few comments here quickly for you. I hardly do that, so that I sign off today. And if you want to send us Vodafone cash, it's 0507-150-223. 0507-150-223. Counselor, what if the couples are abroad? If couples are abroad, marriage preparation is done in the family house. We have to do it in the family house in Ghana. As a matter of fact, we can't marry for somebody to stand in for somebody. We can send delegation to go and pay bride price of a woman and bring it to the man. It's accepted. But we cannot go and pay the bride price of the woman without the presence of the woman. Next week we are going to learn that we can send delegation to go and marry a woman, but a woman must be present. A man can stand in because, as a matter of fact, the man marrying our daughter is not very essential to us to see him like the woman we are marrying for our daughter. Do you get what I'm talking about? So if you are in abroad, both of you are in abroad and you are living abroad, remember that in the states that we are in, the marriage things we do in Ghana is not recognized in Abuchi. Especially the traditional marriages. You are recognized when you are able to come and register your marriage in the United States of America, for example. So if you are in Ghana and both of you are in abroad and you want to marry, do your marriage there. But you should find time as you can and come and perform the marriage right down here in Ghana. If not, then stay there cohabiting like the way you are doing and don't tell people you are married by documentation. Have your documentary marriage in Abuchi. Because when you are Mr. and Mrs. in Abuchi by document, and it is not in Ghana, we don't recognize that one in Ghana. I hope you understand the conversation. So that was somebody's question. Let me continue. Somebody says, Counselor, we're watching you live from Dubai. Thank you so much. And very soon I have to be in Dubai this time. I said we go to Dubai. Maybe Dubai and say, can you go to their family house? Can we go to whose family house? Yes, you are right. With us, you are right. Counselor, all the way from Dubai, we watch you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guy. Thank you for watching. You don't need a pastor in a traditional marriage. It's a traditional marriage. Yes, but most pastors are now going there and holding the ring and casting demons and fixing the ring on the finger. No pastor has the right. You have no legal right to go to a traditional marriage and let them say vows. We don't exchange vows in traditional marriages. The traditional marriage is a marriage that is received by the family, and the marriage is only accepted by the list that is given to the man, and the man pays that list. He ends it. The marriage is accepted. It is nowhere publicly. As a matter of fact, the ring that is fixed on the finger of the girl is not fixed in public. It is fixed at where they took the list to. So before the woman walks out to public, she's wearing the ring because it has been fixed by the aunties who received the ring. But what say? Obano one dear na ye no. Ye bisa nyama ne ye de chire badwom se de kawaba ye de ntoma ba ye de ni nyina ko chire mpanyifo na mpanyifo ne gitu musampa ya pne a ye baba ne be fi dem amba ba hia ni kuro no ahye kawa ne dada. Enye se afi na oba badwom na ye de kawa na hye ne nsa wo badwom. But what say? Abayifo ne nyama mo ken abayifo nya hwe. Eno ni amamre yensua se enye sofo na ebe kantem ne de kawa shoba e wo traditional marriage ye nye ne sa. What about those of us aren't in Ghana? If you are not in Ghana, your family is in Ghana, so let us perform your right in Ghana. If your family has a family head in Abuchi and they want to do traditional marriage in Abuchi, they need to pour libation in Ghana to seek permission to perform your right in Abuchi. When people die in Abuchi, we need to seek permission to do their family rights, their funeral rights in Abuchi. We do it by pouring libation. It's a spirit. Spirit travels. God bless you too. Why should we pack What should we pack to? I don't understand that English. Watching you live from Houston, Texas. Really good information. Thank you very much. I am watching you live from New York City. Thank you all for watching from New York City. Please, those of you who are calling me, watching me from New York and any other places, help us, help me, help people who are in need by sending me Zelle, just Zelle amount of money. You can send me $50, $100, not direct to me. If you also want to send it to Ghana, right now you can do mobile money to Ghana. But if you want to do it in New York, remember that the Zelle number is 862. Somebody type for me. 862-571-3950. It's a Zelle account. 862-571-3950. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. Please, can an engagement take place? I need to fill this thing for inside for me here. Can an engagement take place if the lady is in abroad? Yes and no. Where is the engagement going to take place? If a man's family has sent their family to go and marry a girl for them, do they know the girl? Have they seen the girl? So when they go and perform the rite, have they performed the rite? Let's learn it. It is not supposed to be so. But if there's any reason why the woman cannot come from America so that they perform the rites, then they should hold on to the marriage until the woman comes and is performed. Can an engagement take place while the lady is in abroad and the man is in Ghana? Who are we going to marry? Who are we going to marry? Can you bury somebody in Ghana who is in Abuchi while the person is dead? 862-571, not 9. Sorry, the Zelle account again. 862, my brother Miriam. 862-571-3950. 862-571-3950. Thank you very much. I like your stand on most issues, but why won't you be patient in your submission? I am too patient in my submission. Unless you teach me the other way I should speak again, my sister. God bless you for your misunderstanding. Good topic. Watching you live from Hamburg, Germany. Thank you all very much. This is, I'm going to be in China. I'm going to be, hey, you are watching me from China. Wanju. Wow. Corona. I pray that you will never have coronavirus anywhere you are. I immune you in the name of Jesus that you are in China watching me. Because you are watching me, coronavirus can never catch you the way it can catch us in Ghana. I like MOBA too much. You like money too much, Reverend. Yes. So I repeat the number again for you. The Zelle account number that we are using to help people is 862-571-3950. Zelle account in the United States of America. Thank you so much for writing for me. And in Ghana, it is 055-000-055-000-5077. 055-000-5077 is the MTN Mumu. And if you want to do for us Vodafone Cash, is 0507-150-223. 0507-150-223 is our Vodafone Cash number. And if you want to do Airtel Tigo, is 0277-609-644. Greetings to our Vice President, Mrs. Gloria Kwesing of the United States of America, the Vice President or Vice Chairperson for Councillor Lutrot Foundation. Thank you so much, Pastor Fortress. Thank you for typing the number for us. Wow. Thank you. One of my greatest friend, Prophet Samson Martins, media director and a pastor. He's so helpful to my brand. Thank you so much, Pastor Fortress. Thank you for writing all the numbers for me. Wow. 055-000-5077, 0507-150-223, and then the Tigo Cash 0277-609-644. Let me finally tell you that if you impregnate any woman, you are under obligation to take care of the child. And the child is in the womb, you take care of the child in the womb through the mother. When the woman delivers, it is your right to either marry her or not to marry her. Don't look over pregnancy and marry a woman. Otherwise, you'll regret in future. Marriages must be performed at the right place. Like the law says, the place must be registered. The one officiating the marriage must also be gazetted. The same way in the traditional circles, marriage must be received by the woman's father's family and the man. So Goima. why I'm laughing? So Goyima is around with me and she has gone to type Councillor. So Goyima is in trouble. Oh my God. So Goyima has breast today, so look at what she's doing. She's watching. Friends and loved ones, this is my Sogoyima girl. I don't know what to do to her, but thanks for her support. And the Tigo Cash is here. Tigo Cash is 0277609644. Well, ladies and gentlemen, all too soon, I want to wrap up by ending here. Remember, the Independence Relationship Conference came up on the 6th of March at La Palm Royal Beach Hotel. Get ready for the next one. I love Sogoyima so much. She emceed the program as if she has rehearsed with me. I mean, I love her. This is the first time I was seeing her really in an MC thing, and I thank Sogoyima so much for her support. 2nd of May is the biggest one coming up again. Keep your fingers crossed. Let me say a thank you to all Council Electoral Fan Club members on Telegram. If you want to join the fan club, download Telegram. Search for Council Electoral Fan Club. Join. Adina. If you want to be a member of Tupperware Business Deal, those will give them capital to start business on the 6th of March. If you want to also start selling the Tupperware business products like this ones, in this time of coronavirus, we are drinking our own water in our own bottle. We wash it, disinfect it. It's very solid. So go him next week. I'm going to buy her one. You know, I give her one. Oh, beginning to say, I love this girl. I'm drinking water. I gave Sogoyima some parcel. Tupperware parcel. Next week I'm going to buy her rice cooker. She doesn't have a rice cooker. Sogoyima doesn't have. Next week I'm going to buy her some. Everything I give her, I'll put it in publish. So that in future when they say, we know I'm crown marriage, you know, bet me I can want some or chia brackets. Sogoyima me chia. Baby talk move for silicone breast support. I'm a Sogoyima. No, they are born move for selling the tona and 12 bakakra. We love you, Sogoyima. Hey, people too love Sogoyima like that. Thank you very much. Sogoyima love you too, but she's already married now. Wait, those of you who are interested in Sogoyima, wait, when the marriage collapse, you come and marry her. And by the grace of God, it won't collapse now. So we worry that they worry. I think I'm very so about similar training. I mean, I've been a quarry where yes, you demo. Kase, amen. Maybe I am but that's all. And the money here. What will show me? Say, baby, I will be a dear how be a or diabetes are framing or asthma framing. Bibi a cost wa bra bombi a him will be a mesrel framing. Na me the off framing, made him one beba, Madame Assay. Yami Shram, and net that's a net, the best share. Remember, for any support, call me on 0277 609 644. Marriage is good, and those of you who are not married, never say that no matter what happens, marriage was not created for everybody. Marriage was created for everybody. You can be a second wife, like this girl who's going to be my second wife very soon. There she goes. You didn't see her. Thank you very much for your support. Soon we will meet you. Great and intelligent. Send us the money to support the thing. Be part of Council Electoral Foundation. We have 1 million members we are gathering. 1 million members we are gathering by the end of the year. Invite a friend to join us on Tupperware. If you want to buy any product from Tupperware, write this number 0274 999 995. If you want to buy any of this product from Tupperware, whether it's a bowl, whether it's a flask, it's a cup, it's a rice cooker, it's a shito mix, the blender, those things are pure plastic from Tupperware. If you want to buy, please call this number 0274 999 995 and look for Abigail to buy your Tupperware products. Share the page, share the story, and let's marry the right way. Engagement traditional marriages are not done at the mother's side. They are not done in the restaurant. They are not done in an event grounds. They are not done in a radio station. They are not done in the airport. They are done in your father's family house. Love you. God bless you. Let all work for us. So Goyima is here. Look at her. See her face. No, she's not pregnant. Why do you write and ask she's pregnant? She's not.
Oh.
She's not. She's just wearing a pregnant woman's dress. As a matter of fact.
So nice, Shamit. Oh, Bianca's pregnant.
So when you are pouring water on me.
Oh, sorry.
And I'm wearing a boxer shorts made from 1957 KOD, a local boxer shorts. By the grace of God, where Ghana, Alaji Lemujin, Councillor Lutot. I'm signing out today. God bless you. Bye.